Let's talk about the RDP Serial Port Redirection module. One that some people may or may not know about, but what you do is you would simply go over to your terminal, right click and do the modify, or just double click on it to open up your terminal configuration wizard, as I've done here, and then you'd step all the way through until you get to the installed modules area, and you would come down here and you would click on add. And once you go to add, just type R and it'll bring you to the RDP modules, and I can select the RDP Serial Port Redirection module and then click OK. And there's really no other configuration that has to be done. Now, what's important about this is it allows you to be able to have the COM ports remapped to the Thin client without any additional configuration by just simply adding this. So what would happen is COM1 in the session would refer to COM1 on the terminal, and same thing, COM2 in the session would refer to COM2 on the terminal. Now this function does require Windows 2003 in order to be able to work, and you also have to make a few other changes to your actual terminal server too. So what you would do is you come down here and go to your administrative tools, go to your terminal services configuration, and then double click on the RDP TCP here underneath the connections area. And once I've done that, then go to the client settings and make sure that this COM port mapping box is selected. If that's selected, it will allow that redirection to actually take place inside of your terminal server through ThinManager to your Thin clients in your environment.
For more tips and gems, please visit ThinManager.com.